Part of being in this business, and just kind of the natural progression of things, is that we work with real estate agents.
We work in an environment that's constantly changing, and in order to do our job effectively, we have to stay on top of those changes.
It's important that the real estate agent also knows that they can have confidence in the person that's helping them with their clients to get the deal done.
A lot of people come from families whose parents have owned a home, their grandparents have owned a home, and now they want to buy a home.
A lot of times first-time buyers will come to me and they'll say, but I don't have a lot of big down payment, and aren't you supposed to have a lot of money for a down payment, and oh gee, you know, I had a little bit of an issue with my credit, but you know, so I try to assure them that there are programs to help them. One of them in the state of Colorado, we've got an excellent program. They shorten it down, they call it CHAFA. It stands for Colorado Housing Finance Authority, and it simply is a way for helping people who haven't saved up a bunch of money.
People are really comfortable with you know, fixed term and fixed interest rate products, and that's really what we pair most people with.
And we have a pretty good way of explaining things in a language that they can understand. And a lot of times I'll talk to folks and they'll just kind of, all of a sudden a light will go on over their heads and they'll say, oh, this isn't as bad as I expected, and that makes all sense. And when they do that, then they feel comfortable, and then they feel like, good, you know, now I've got somebody I can trust.